All right, we're going to make it's called a 2/3 slanted 1x1. And what it looks like from the side is that it is flat across the bottom. It comes up a little bit. It comes up at a slant and then drops down. And what we know is that it's a standard Lego width, so that's going to be 5/16. And it is a 1/16 height on the small side. And it is a 2/8 height on the long side. And that dictates the slant, just because the other three are already locked in. Then we're going to go ahead and extrude this guy, a Lego unit, which is 5/16. So it looks like that. And then we're going to shell it. And the shell, just like always, is going to be 1/16. Use it just like that. Now, if you want to, you could do some fun little fillets on it. Maybe we'll just pick something small, like a 32nd for the radius. And I'm going to click loop, and I'm going to choose this loop right here. So that it rounds off all the tops. If you want, it could look something like that. Or you don't have to use the fillet if you don't want. It's totally up to you. Nothing's going to attach to these edges, so it really doesn't matter one way or the other. All right, that's it.